Have you ever dreamed of creating a wealthy future for yourself? A future where artificial intelligence and entrepreneurship work together to build prosperous lives. Imagine a world where AI assists us in making smarter decisions. A world where startups and business ventures thrive, creating jobs and wealth for all. Today, we stand on the brink of an AI revolution where machines are becoming more intelligent than ever before. But it's not a threat, it's an opportunity. By embracing AI, we can unlock new possibilities and transform industries. From healthcare to finance, manufacturing to agriculture, AI has the power to optimize processes and revolutionize our way of life. But the true magic happens when AI meets entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are the pioneers of innovation, the ones who dare to dream big and take risks. With AI, entrepreneurs can tap into vast amounts of data, gaining insights that were once unimaginable. They can spot trends, identify opportunities, and make predictions that drive success. AI-powered startups can disrupt markets and create entirely new industries. They can optimize supply chains, personalize customer experiences, and create products that improve lives. Imagine a future where you can start your own business with minimal resources, relying on AI to automate repetitive tasks and make your venture more efficient. A future where your ideas can find the support they need to flourish. But we must remember, AI and entrepreneurship are not only for the few. We must democratize access to this wealth-creating power. We must empower individuals from all walks of life to participate in this AI revolution. By fostering education and collaboration, by bridging the gender and diversity gaps, we can ensure that the future is not only wealthy but also inclusive. So let's embrace the unprecedented potential of AI and entrepreneurship. Let's unleash our creativity and build a prosperous future where wealth and success are no longer confined to the elite few. Thank you for watching this video and exploring the possibilities of AI and entrepreneurship. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and insights.